Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you the next video of Angular projects in ASP with the ASP.NET Core Web API. In this project I'm going to add image upload. So first of all, update the API, so you can add this function, this action method in the API, that is the image upload, with the ID property and the iForm file, that is the profile URI. Okay, so first of all, mentioned all these extensions, like where extensions equals to new list of string type of extensions like jpg, bmp, gif, jpg and .png. And if the profile URI from the Angular is not null and the profile URI dot length is greater than 0, then get the extension of the file, because the file is not empty. And so just get the extension by using path.get extension of the profile URI dot file name. Now after getting the extension, you just get extensions dot contain extensions. If the extensions is similar with your jpg, bmp, gif and jpg, png, if it is there, then just go for the student repo dot exist id. If it is id is exist also, then you just go for the student repo dot upload image with the profile URI. Okay, so upload image functions is actually exist on your repository. So here we have a code like that: extensions, path dot get extensions, profile URI, file name and contains. Okay, now upload image, that is to save the image in the folder. Also just update image URI with the ID property and absolute file name. If it is update is successfully, then just return OK and the absolute file name. If it is not update the image URI, then just return the status code with the internal server error, that is 500 internal server error. So here we have two methods, that is the first one is the upload image and the next one is update image URI. So just open your repository, iStudent, iStudent repository and iStudent infrastructure, you can say, and after that implement that both methods like upload image and update image URI. So just open your repositories first of all, and here is your repository. iStudent repository, and in this iStudent repository just add two methods that is upload image with the iForm file and the update image URI with the ID and the string of type of image URL. Upload image is actually just use file input box, so just getting iForm file, and update image is actually store the URL of the data, URL of the file. So just use ID as well as the image URL in the type of the string. Okay, so implement both methods, first of all upload image and update image URI in the student repository. So just open your student repository and add both method implemented method at here. First of all upload image with the iForm file. So just use special variable where your file name with the GUID. So just generate the GUID dot new GUID, because ambiguity is not possible with the GUID. So use special with the file name. So here we have a file path dot combine directory dot get current directory, and what is the directory? That is the www root file, or you can say that the main root file where your student resources and images exist. So just add student resources with the file path, and also add in the student resources, add image directory inside it. Okay, now here we have a special with the, you can say that the file name with the GUID, and after that you can use file stream with the MS, I mean to say that memory stream, but here we have a file stream with the file path and the file mode, that is create. Now after that you can add you can copy that file into the memory stream. Now after that, file name special with the file name, and path dot combine, that is student resources with the images. Okay, now the next thing is to add upload image instead of update image URI. Update image URI with the ID and the image URL. And here we have a ID and the image URL is there. ID just want to get the student ID. Here we have a student and related data. So if it is not null, then student.profile image will be updated with the image URL, and the image URL is the absolute URL, you can say. And after that, save the images with the update images, you can say, and just return the true. If the student is null, then return false. So okay, everything is fine with the iStudent repository and the student repository. Now you can just open your startup.cs file, and here you can add static files. Just after the use HTTP redirection, you can add use static files with the new static file options. So your API will share the statics files with the file provider, that is new physical file provider, and the path.combine, that is environment.current-root path, student resources, and requested path is also the student resources. So the static files will share the files on over the browser. So here we have a student resources and use static files also there. Now just everything is completed. Now open your Visual Studio Code and the image upload method inside your single student method. Okay, so just uncomment this code, image upload with the event.any. Event is what? That is your HTML code where your file is selected, and just in the method you can see that in your C, that is event is there. So here we have two input types, that is one is hidden, that is type of file, and with the template reference variable profile upload. And then just when we click on the button control, that's call your image file upload event, and event is the file type file, and this .id is not null, then just return the file with the type of file, and event.target.files of 0. I mean to say that the first one file is selected at a time. And the student service.upload image, that is the method in the service. So just open your service first of all and add that method upload image, and that is already added in the previous video. You can see just open your service first of all and just uncomment that code upload image. Here we have a code, upload image, ID number, and the file type of the file. And just mention that form data with the append profile URI, and that name is the same name with your API data, where your API match with your name, match with that name, profile URI. Okay, so now after that return, because the observable type, that is so just return is must. So this .http client .post is the request to post the data with the base URI and the absolute path with the API students and image upload with the ID parameter and the form data, and the response type is text. So here we have everything is good, fine, and just say that API students and image upload, ID, form data, and the response type is text. Now here we have upload image is clear in the method. So when we click on the upload and change event method, change event button, that method will be called, and profile upload image is there with the ID property and the file type. Okay, so in the success response you can say that student data.profile image will be updated successfully with the success response. Now after that you can just go for ng-serve command and serve the code. So here we have the fully CRUD operations is successfully completed. Just wait for the next video for the delete action method, because everything is clear. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core and Angular. In the later videos I will clear all these things with the CSS and everything. I will share the code also. If you just comment this code, comment it in this video, I will share your code. I will share my code on your on the GitHub. So thank you guys for watching this video.